Hello, this is Tom from X Team, and I just wanted to follow on from the training that we did with you guys the other day, specifically around our menu building and how we edit that and how we create our menus and pick what pages that we want displayed on our menu as well. So as you can see, we are in our training multi-site at the moment. So this is the one that we are working on and playing with at the moment. And so in the dashboard, when we're in this one, we've just come down to appearances, and then we can jump into menus. And this is when we can create a new one. We can select the ones that have already been created previously, and we can also be editing what pages are visible in the menu and in what order. So first off, we're going to just look at these ones. So I've created a few previous ones. We've got term 1 here. This one just covers a few things, and I've selected the pages that we wanted in this one, which was home, the sample page, and English assessments term 1. This is just a page I created earlier. This is specific to term 1 as well. And so then we've selected this one. We must come down and press primary. Once we've clicked that and then save menu, when we jump onto our site, we can actually go and see that this menu is now up the top here. So we've got our home, English assessments term 1, and our sample page there as well. Okay, so jumping back to our dashboard, we can go through this, look at term 2, how we built that, and term 3 as well. But I also want to show you guys how to create a new menu, and I'll go into a bit more about editing that as well in just a moment. So the first thing we do is we want to create a new menu. So we're going to call this one menu term 4. Okay, so we just type our title in there, click create menu. Okay, then we go over and you can go to most recent, but it's good to check view all just in case you miss any pages. Okay, so the pages on this microsite that we have at the moment is our home and our term 1, 2, 3, 4 of English assessments and the sample page. Okay, so I want to create the menu for term 4. So I want the home included, sample page, and English. Oh, another one, English assessment term 4. I'm going to add that one to the menu, and this is where you get to play around. You can change the order of them here. You can select which one you want at the front. That will be the far left, and in order going the far right as well. So I'm going to have home as our left one, and our English assessment term 4 page as our second, and sample page as third. Now the next step is quite important. This is where we are clicking that it's primary. You'll see here it says it's currently set to menu term 1. So if we don't click this primary one, it won't actually go live onto our page. So once we've done that, we can visit our page, and we'll see here that it has now got the menu that we've selected with English assessment term 4 in there, and our other pages as well. Okay, and so this is quite an easy thing to, I guess, edit, quite straightforward. You can select or create multiple menus. The other thing that you might want to do is just have one menu and then actually just come in here and edit it. So you might have them all in here and actually then just remove this one, or remove term 4. Remove term 4 and then add in term 2 to it. So instead of creating multiple menus, you might just come in and edit the one and then save that menu as well, and add it to primary. So that's it for menus, and I hope you guys can jump on that and sort out your menus as best you can.